Whether you like to bake cakes or you're just bringing things to potlucks or to kids' birthday parties and need something to put it on, having a cake round is really handy. I didn't realize how handy they were until the company sent these to me to try out. They are 12 inches by a half an inch. And the really impressive thing, I cut this apart, is how thick and durable they are. So it's got a food grade, nice, shiny top. So the presentation is going to look great. But they're also sturdy enough that, I mean, you can't, like, I can't break this apart with my hands. I had to cut it with an X-Acto knife. They come in a 12 pack. I have used several of them, even for charcuterie boards. So these have become such a staple in our house. And if you are a teacher or you're at a stage in your life where you've got a lot of kids and you have to bring things, these are so handy. They also work great for art projects. Um, so if you are looking for a great way to to up your presentation with cakes or cupcakes or a charcuterie board, this might be something to consider. This one comes, I think I mentioned, in a 12 pack, but they do have smaller and larger sizes that come in different package sizes. So they've got a smaller one, a bigger one, and that come with less, or some that come with more. So something definitely to check out. Check in the link below to see if they're on sale or what the current price is or what size might work best for you. If you found this video helpful, put something in the comments, or if you have another suggestion on what you use to bring all of your kids' birthday cakes and cupcakes to different parties or potlucks, put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And if you found this helpful, then like and subscribe. It definitely helps me know what type of content to produce. And thanks for watching.